My name is Srinivas. Welcome to my Manu World. Please subscribe to our channel, click bell icon so you never miss our videos. By passion, I'm a wellness coach, and so recently my wife started a YouTube channel, my Manu World, and so she has been doing a lot of cooking videos, healthy cooking and tasty cooking. At the same time, my 9 years old daughter, she has been doing a lot of art and crafts, drawings and paintings, and so we are getting a lot of compliments. We are really happy to get support from all of you guys, and and at the same time there was few requests that so what kind of tools we are using, because so many people notice that so we are able to do very professional videos, like so our camera is very steady and with right angle, right location, okay, and videos are coming very nicely. So there were a lot of requests. People are asking, so can you share that what kind of camera holder, what kind of tripods, what kind of things we are using. So that we thought that actually, so when we searched in the YouTube, so we did not find too many, and so my wife, she spent good amount of time to find the right match, okay, which can help to create a good videos. And so I would like to share, okay, so don't miss even single minute, because it's very simple, okay, it's not at all hard, it's very simple, but if you miss maybe few seconds, probably you will miss the puzzle, okay. It is kind of puzzle, it is very funny thing, okay. And so I request you don't miss even single second, okay, watch until end, so that what you need to buy, okay, to arrange all these systems, then you will be able to get idea. And at the same time, no need to worry that at the end I will post at the bottom that actually what kind, where you can find these in Amazon. I can send the links, okay, you can go and check reviews and you buy it, okay. And so the first thing, so if you see that this is the biggest component in the whole package, and it is I have chosen this Maono brand because I found very good reviews of it, and it's a microphone arm, okay. Usually if you see this kind of suspension arm, generally the people who are singers, okay, they use it, okay, because they want their mic to be fitted with the stand with right location to their mouth, so they use for this, okay, they use for that purpose. But so we can adapt to even to create our YouTube videos, okay, whatever you do on the table, and so that your camera is on the top and it is taking the right videos on the table, okay. And I just keep opening one by one, and don't miss anything. I'll go very slowly, don't worry about that. So we are not in hurry, okay. So I'm opening the box, okay. In the box what we got is that so we got this clamp, okay, which is actually fitted to the table, and so we got this suspension arm, okay. So we got only these two tools. So there is and there is another thing, okay. So this is the one, actually this is the one generally the singers use to hold their mic, okay. So this is the clamp, okay, and so we need to fix this to the table, okay. This arm should go down and this flat one should come up, okay. So because we have a hole here, okay, this hole is meant for to place this suspension arm into this, okay. So this is the purpose, that is the reason it should come on upper side. So you can watch it here. I am just tightening it to the table. You should not use too much force, okay, otherwise the thread can be skipped off and it lose that holding capability, okay. So you need to use moderate force. Hold this, it is fixed here now, and you have a suspension arm here, okay. You have a suspension arm and that can go into this hole, okay, see. And you can tie it here. There is another knob which can be used to tighten this, okay. So it can arrest the movement, okay, it cannot move. But if you want to move in multiple direction, you just keep it little loose. Even it can it can be held in the hole. Okay, no worries. So it can be moved like this. And here is the challenge will come here. Okay, so watch it very closely. So you see this here. Okay, so generally people, the singers, they use it like this and they tighten it. Okay, and so what do? Generally they fix a mic here and they use it. Okay, but so we need to have a holder to hold the mobile. Okay, we need to have a holder like this, hold to the mobile, and at the same time how we can fix this to here, that is the biggest question mark. Okay, and you need, there are different tools. Okay, this is one thing. Okay, this is one thing is very important, and this is called tripod stand ball joint. Okay, 360 degrees, so it can rotate 360 degrees. Okay, so this one, okay, I keep a link, Amazon link, don't worry about this. And so we need to fix. Okay, so we need to buy these things separately. Okay, so this thing you will get with this, but there is no use with this, so we keep it aside. And so these things you need to buy from separately from Amazon. And so this is to hold the mobile, and this one to hold this clip. Okay, and you have this joint properly. Okay, so now you have like this, and when you keep mobile, it can go like this. Okay, you can fix in any direction whatever you want. Okay, so this is done. Okay, there is another thing. So now we have here, and if I go and fix it here, so it will not fit, because this male pin is very big and this female is very small. Okay, and for this we need another thread reducer. It is called a thread reducer. Okay, and you need to choose, there are a lot of sizes. Okay, you will get confused. Okay, you need to have a proper size, and especially to fix with these two equipments. Okay, this is actually 3 by 8 inches 16 2 and 1 by 4 inches 20 size. Okay, I'll put the link, you will find there the dimensions. Okay, so this is actually 3 by 8 inches 16, and this is 1 by 8 inches 20. Okay, so when we use this thread reducer, okay, that will complete the process. Okay, now I fixed this, and so now I fix these two here. Now our stand is ready. Okay, so we can use for whatever the purpose we want. Okay, so it can be taken, it can adjust, height can be adjusted, and we can cover all over the table, and we can put it very closely. Okay, so I'll show you how to fix the mobile to this. Okay, you can just put it here, and okay, now your mobile is ready to go. And so you can tighten wherever you want. Okay, you can tighten here, you can tighten here, and even you can tighten here. Okay, so you have every junction you have a tightening point. Okay, tightening now, and so you need not worry about too much. Okay, so now your mobile is ready. Then I just give you a sample, so how it looks like on the table. Okay, yeah, you see now, so there is a proper visibility from the top, and whatever you work in this space, it is easily taken care. Okay, so, and the video will be captured very nicely. So just I write something here, see how it is coming. So I think this is how, okay, you can organize your camera stand, and you can rock with your videos. And we hope to see all your videos with very quality, and we are looking forward to enjoy your videos. Thank you very much.